We're diving into the latest breakthrough in Pakistan's defense technology, the DHAAL remote-controlled weapons station, developed by heavy industries DHAAL, the nation's premier defense manufacturing leader. Nicknamed DHAAL meaning shield, this advanced system focuses on precision, safety, and adaptability, designed to protect operators. DHAAL allows weapons to be remotely controlled from within the vehicle's armored interior, keeping personnel shielded from direct enemy fire. DHAAL is compatible with a range of weapons, from heavy machine guns to automatic grenade launchers, allowing it to suit various mission requirements. Equipped with cutting-edge electro-optical sensors and laser rangefinders, DHAAL can accurately target threats in any lighting conditions, day or night. This technology enables operators to engage targets from a distance, ensuring precise strikes. The remote control feature enhances soldiers' safety by enabling troops to stay within the vehicle, reducing their exposure to hostile fire, an essential advantage in urban and high-risk combat zones. Beyond firepower, DHAAL is incredibly versatile, as it can be mounted on various armored vehicles, adapting to different combat needs. Its modular design makes installation quick and efficient, readying it for a wide range of missions. Thanks to advanced stabilization, DHAAL remains steady and accurate even when the vehicle is in motion, providing effective engagement capabilities in dynamic operations and offering tactical flexibility on the battlefield. This innovation highlights heavy industries DHAAL's commitment to advancing Pakistan's defense capabilities through local ingenuity. DHAAL represents Pakistan's commitment to self-sufficiency in defense. Amid evolving regional security concerns, systems like DHAAL reflect Pakistan's strategy to strengthen its defense infrastructure with precision, adaptability, and safety as core priorities. DHAAL RCWS is set to become a crucial asset for Pakistan's armed forces. As heavy industries DHAAL continues to innovate, systems like DHAAL will likely lay the groundwork for future advancements, empowering Pakistan's defense sector for years to come.